This video will show you how to AirDrop iPhone to MacBook or iMac or Mac, or from Mac to iPhone 13, 12, 11X step by step. Part 2. How to AirDrop from iPhone to Mac directly. Step 1. Turn on AirDrop on Mac and iPhone. Click Finder, Go, AirDrop. Ensure Wi-Fi is on. Check Allow me to be discovered by. Choose Everyone or Contacts Only as needed. On iPhone, turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Tap the AirDrop option in the control center. Then you can choose whether to receive items from everyone or only from people in your Contacts app. Step 2. AirDrop from iOS to Mac. On iPhone, choose Content, tap Share, select AirDrop, and send to the chosen Mac. Part 3. Problems you may meet when using AirDrop. 1. AirDrop does not appear in Control Center. 2. AirDrop does not appear in Finder. 3. Your Mac can't find the iPhone. 4. Can't AirDrop music. 5. Multiple file transfer failed. Part 4. How to transfer files from iPhone to Mac without AirDrop. MacBook Assistant for iOS Mac Windows is a powerful iPhone, iPad, iPod data management program for Mac and Windows users. How to transfer to iMac or MacBook or Mac from iPhone with Assistant for iOS. Download and install the program on your Mac. Connect your iPhone via USB. Trust the Mac, and it'll recognize your iPhone, showing this interface. Preview and select files, then click Export to transfer from iPhone to Mac.